Hi, my name is Medi Bendana and I'm the owner of Best Framing. We bought Best Framing in 2015. My wife and I wanted a small business locally that we can own together and run together, and we were introduced to Best Framing by being a customer here. When we bought Best Framing in 2015, it was run by a gentleman that had no computers, no credit card machine, very, very different from what Best Framing is today. When we came in, we started working paper and pen, writing orders down, and we realized really quickly that in the industry that we're in, there's so much information, so much data, that we have to capture this better. First thing we wanted to do was look for a software that can help us manage these orders. It was what we call a medium-sized frame shop, about $250,000 a year, writing a few orders a day, but we wanted to scale it, and we know in order to scale it, we have to have a software. We did a lot of research before we landed on FrameReady, and boy, when we found it, we were scared of it. It looked different, it didn't function like Windows, it didn't function like Apple, but everybody that used it loved it. So we gave it a try. And boy, did it change our business. Since then, we've grown from $250,000 a year to now doing about $3 million a year out of a single location. We do 300 to 400, sometimes more, art pieces per week. FrameReady helps us manage the workflow, the POs and purchase orders, even the CRM aspect of it, of knowing who the customer is, who our top 100 are. So many different features that we've used over the years that really helped us take it to the next level. I think one of the most important tools that we use FrameReady for every day is pricing out our orders. FrameReady helps us accurately figure out what it's going to cost us to do the frame jobs by being connected directly to the manufacturers. The fact that I can know right away whether the molding has been discontinued or not makes a huge difference. It saves us a lot of time and money. Imagine the time that it takes to write up an order, work with a customer, place that order, customer pays for it, they leave, and then you got to call them and tell them that the molding has been discontinued. That's probably one of the worst things that we run into our industry. We still do double checks and make sure that the company has it in stock. But the fact that it tells you whether the molding has been discontinued or not, that molding you haven't sold in a long time, it makes a huge difference in just the whole overall customer experience. Let's see. So how has FrameReady helped our business? I spend more time on FrameReady than I do on probably all social media combined. FrameReady helps us write POs. Manages our customers, manages our invoices and payments, manages our work orders. Everything from the time the order is placed to the time we email the customer for pickup to even when he picks it up and we look up where the location of the artwork is at pickup. Every aspect of that is managed by FrameReady. Since we added FrameReady to our business, we've been able to just be more streamlined, more focused. It's so much easier to manage that workflow than to chase it with a pen and paper and try to find those papers that were written up and maybe they're here or there or somewhere else. Who do I recommend FrameReady to? Whether you're a one-man shop or multi-location shop with multiple employees, FrameReady is essential. Some kind of software is essential to help you manage that flow of customers, work orders, invoices, POs, contact files. It's important to be able to accurately write it every single time, have that repetition of doing it the same exact way. If you have 3 employees and they write it on a piece of paper, they're going to write that work order 3 different ways. In FrameReady, you're able to create ways to create consistency that keeps a clean record of what's been framed, how it's been framed, and when a customer comes back and wants to place out the same order again, with a touch of a button, you can pull it up and duplicate it.